ever wake up and realize your entire audience could disappear overnight? Not because you did something wrong, but because an algorithm decided you're not trending anymore. Welcome back to Not Just Candle Talk, where we don't play by the system, we build our own. Today's episode, The Algorithm Apocalypse: How to Build a Business That Survives When Social Media Dies. Because in 2026, the biggest threat to entrepreneurs isn't competition, it's disappearance. So let's be real. The algorithm used to be your best friend. It gave you reach, followers, even dopamine hits. But now it's your boss. And the truth is, that boss is unpredictable. In 2026, the attention economy has evolved. AI controls discoverability, not people. Trends expire in hours, not weeks. Organic reach is becoming a luxury. But here's the truth bomb. The algorithm isn't evil. It's just evolving faster than your strategy. And if your business depends on borrowed visibility, you're playing an expensive game of hide and seek, where the rules change mid-round. Let's call this what it is. It's an addiction. We've built our businesses on digital quicksand. Instagram engagements, YouTube views, TikTok reach. They feel like ownership until the numbers drop and suddenly you're invisible. 2026 will separate the creators who build systems from ones chasing visibility, because this new era, it's not about going viral. It's about staying visible, even when the feed stops favoring you. So let's break it down. Let's break it down into 5 powerful moves that will make your business algorithm proof. So, number 1, own your pipeline. Get people off borrowed platforms and into your ecosystem. That means your email list, say the private podcast, the communities, or even a text list. Algorithms can't shadow ban your mailing list, and that's a fact. Number 2, build a core product, not just content. Content is bait, not the business. If your audience disappeared tomorrow, would your sales survive? Honestly, think about it. In 2026, digital ownership is the new freedom. I will repeat that. In 2026, digital ownership is the new freedom. We're talking about courses, private audio vaults, templates, memberships. These are the new insurance policies. Number 3, create, rewatch, and replay worthy content. Ask yourself, would someone replay this in a year from now? Evergreen strategy beats trends every single time. People remember emotional clarity, not viral noise. Number 4, automate intimacy. Yeah, you heard me right. You can automate without losing your voice. You got your tools like Kit, you got auto chat bots, or even you can do a private podcast automation, allowing you to stay connected even when you're offline. That's how you scale connection, not just content. Number 5, go auto channel, but stay rooted. Diversify your things like diversifying your audience touch points. Don't build a mission of just building rented land. Let TikTok bring awareness. Let YouTube build trust. Your podcast, if you have one, deepen loyalty. And your email list, make the sales. Okay? So in 2026, it's the year of the private media. And that's the focal point for, of course, not just Candle Talk right now. Creators and entrepreneurs are moving underground, like us, into private communities, vaults. We have just created one, the comeback vault, the creator comeback vault. That's one we're starting with, and membership models, because people are tired of noise. They want depth. And like I said, that's why we are existing right now. That's why we are making the move right now. Not to chase clout, but to help you build something that lasts. All right. And that's what Not Just Candle Talk podcast is about. It's about helping entrepreneurs, small business owners, and creators build systems that last. That's what we always been about. And we're going to continue with that. So as everyone else fights for 15 seconds of attention, you'll be quietly building something that could be taken, that can't be taken from you. Okay? If today's episode hit home, don't just scroll away. Ask yourself, is my business built on rented attention or real connection? Then make your next move and go to www.notjustcandletalk.me and grab your free algorithm-proof business blueprint, because visibility fades, but systems scale. Okay? And again, this is Not Just Candle Talk, where we built beyond the trend. And we're going to see you in the next episode. Again, if you haven't already, please visit the links I'm going to put in the show notes at the bottom of this episode to grab all your free downloadable PDFs, to get your blueprint for scaling your business and building strategies. And we're going to continue with this type of information and systems. We're going to implement these in the next couple of episodes. And as always, thank you for listening, and stay tuned for the next episode of how to stay visible and scale your business. Thank you so much for listening. Talk to you soon. Bye.
Hi, everyone. This is JJ, the co-founder of Good Pods. If you haven't heard of it yet, Good Pods is like Goodreads or Instagram, but for podcasts. It's new, it's social, it's different, and it's growing really fast. There are more than 2 million podcasts, and we know that it is impossible to figure out what to listen to. On Good Pods, you follow your friends and podcasters to see what they like. That is the #1 way to discover new shows and episodes. You can find Good Pods on the web or download the app. Happy listening.